Tool theft, massive problem, not just in Sussex, but up and down the country.
You don't mark them, forget about hearing about them again, you're never going to see them.
We see it every day, tradespeople losing thousands of pounds worth of equipment. So today, this is about marking up your tools and getting that deterrent out there.
Today we are at Wicks in Hove, working in partnership with the Sussex Police and Crime Commissioner and Checkatrade to put on a tool marking awareness event, offering crime prevention advice.
75% of those who were surveyed actually said they were victims of tool theft. So at Checkatrade we've got 52,000 trade members in the UK, so it's a really big population who are very much impacted by tool theft. Only 1% of those who have their items stolen actually get them returned.
Police do seize a lot of tools over the year, but they can't return them to people because they haven't marked them the right way. They can't trace it back because a lot of the thieves, when they do steal tools, they usually sort of rub off the serial numbers. So they've got nothing to go by.
Selected DNA is a forensic marking technology which is used to deter theft. Today we're handing out the tools and equipment kits, so we're focusing on tools. The kits themselves provide a unique code per kit, along with lots of stickers that can go onto the tools that are marked.
Selected DNA is particularly useful for tradespeople because it's just so easy to use. You take a small amount of this onto an applicator, get it onto all your tools, spread it around, and this one pot will mark around 50 items.
Put those deterrent warning stickers not only on the tools but on the vans as well, so we can deter and prevent the crime in the first place.
Working with partners is massively important because they bring so much more expertise to the table. So Checkatrade have got literally tens of thousands of individual tradespeople who belong to Checkatrade. Selected DNA are used to working with police forces up and down the country.
From a monetary perspective, we know that the average cost of tool theft to the victim is between £2,000 and £3,000. But actually, the impact goes a lot further than that. There's a loss of income, loss of earnings. There's the stress of trying to replace those tools. There's the difficulties and the stress that it puts on home life and mental health.
These are victims of crime. And not only is it offering a partnership engagement, but also an opportunity for the trades community to engage with each other, which is really important. It's a really safe space for them to talk about their experiences and actually they're walking away from here with a solution.
Today, being able to part fund this has been a huge pleasure because I know that these men and women who go away, mark up their tools, if they're unfortunate enough to get them stolen, actually, when the police find those tools, as they will do, because we find hundreds of them every day, we can actually repatriate them.